It's inside for a ball. 2-0. Down and away for a ball. And it's 3-0. 3-0. Swing and a miss. Home run hack there by Wilson. Pitch. Line towards the alley, left center field. Taylor to his right on the run, puts it away. One gone. He finished at 12. 2-0. Line to left field, line a base hit towards the corner. Wilson over to cut it off. And so Plaz has to hold at second base. From the windup, 1-0. Line towards left field, sinking fast, and now Wilson, it's over his head. All the way to the wall. Patrick scores behind Plaz. Bishop, he's in. In at third base is Severino. And it's a 3-0 Marauders lead. On the ball hit to left. Righty sets and delivers. Fastball rifled foul, third base side. We see 1-1 to make it 11 pitch. And a fastball in the outside corner. 0-2. Down and in as it scoots Wilson out of the way. Guys like Jackson Castillo, George Lombard Jr. and high Hudson Valley. 1-2's down away with a changeup. It's 2-2. Bust up to Hudson Valley. 2-2. And a backdoor slider down and away. Counts full. That's, short drive away. Runner motion. 3-2 on the ground. Pulled to the right side. Right at Delgado. Only plays to first, though, and he goes that way. Pitch to Wilson. Bottom of the zone called strikes. Here in Bradenton, the 0-1. Bounced it before, home hit Plaz. Didn't know where it was, though. Allows Montero to advance to second base. And a fastball on the outside corner called. Bradenton has lost 6 straight in the series. 1-2. And a curveball just outside. Since 95, 96. 2-2, runner motion. It's swatted the opposite way to left field. Bishop coming in, makes the catch, and will throw to second base to end the half inning. A line-out double play, just how they drew it up, and that's the top of the 6th inning. 5-1 Bradenton. We return here to Bradenton for Tampa. Pitch. Breaking ball, Valdez skies in the air to left field. Wilson is at the track, comes in and puts it away. That's deep enough to score Taylor, though, who scampers home on a sac fly. Is the lefty hitter, first pitch. And he takes a fastball high in 93. 1 run allowed, which was an unearned run in the third. 1-0 is fly to the air to deep left center. Bishop heads back, gets the alley in the spot, and runs it down for the first down. Offensively, Johnny Severino.